Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So we have Irene right here. Say hi. Hi. So she has been here most of the time. You guys know her. For those of you who are not new to the channel, you know Irene. So I'm showcasing Irene and her natural hair, showing you guys how simple you can style your updo in different ways and then come out with almost the same look. So you guys are going to choose which one is your favorite, and we'll catch you guys in the video. For this hairstyle right here, this is what we'll be showing you how to achieve. The other side and the back. So yeah, stay tuned if you're interested in knowing how Irene got her hair looking this nice. But for the record, it is just her natural hair. There are no extensions in it. So yeah, this one right here. I'm going to slick her edges with a little bit of gel. I'm using Gorilla Gel right now. Okay, so we'll just start by twisting the end of the hair like this, and you just pull it down and pin it. So I need one pin right now. Dada. You get the next one. Dada. You twist, and then you pin also. This is very simple. Everyone can do this. Okay. You can always adjust the pin if it's painful. Dropping the next one right now. Twist. This second one is not. The next hair. This particular style is best when you have stretched your hair, either with blow dryer or your African threading method. I did 5 sections for this particular style. 5 sections. since we don't have enough time, you can stay with your scarf longer so your hair dries off and lay really well and nice. But for the sake of the video, we are going to work with this one. So yeah, we didn't stretch Irene's hair, so you can't really see how smooth the buns are, but it's not that bad. And if the hair is not that close together, you can always pin it down like here. Yeah, so yeah, you give them a 360, show the front, the side, and the back. So yeah, so let me know your thoughts about this particular style. Let me know if the different methods bring out the same look, or which one is your favorite. So this is the second way you can do your updo and you are looking this gorgeous, especially for those having long hair like Irene. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. We love you. Subscribe.